Shibarium is about to enter the trillion-dollar Shib market, which might greatly boost the price of Shiba Inu. You must view this if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is Shibarium doing with the Shiba Inu? And how would this impact Shiba's worth? In the brand new video I'm releasing today, I'll be responding to these inquiries and letting you know about all the brand new Shiba Inu price boosting facts that has just surfaced, as well as how there's still a good chance Shiba Inu might make you a billionaire. You should watch the entire movie to catch all the price boosting information because I put a lot of study into it. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your source for Shiba every day. You should subscribe here if you're interested in anything about Shiba. Please hit the like button so we can provide you more Shib news and keep you informed on all the latest news forecasts and how to stay ahead in the crypto industry. Before we continue, it should be noted that this channel offers a daily prize of 1 million Shiba tokens. You only need to be a subscriber to this channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu to be eligible to win. Good fortune. But first, let's look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is performing on May 8th before we go on to our issue. Currently, a Shiba Inu costs about 897 units. The price of SHB has decreased 0.5% over the past day, and $241 million worth of shares have changed hands. The token is the 16th most valuable cryptocurrency according to market capitalization, which is about $5.2 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. And no financial advice is offered in this article. There are 549 trillion sheet coins in circulation. On the other hand, coin burns are causing this number to decline daily. The initial supply of the token was 1 quadrillion. You must register with MEXC Global if you want to purchase, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. You can receive up to $9,100 in free cryptocurrency if you sign up through the link in my description. Additionally, folks, heed the warning about bogus accounts imitating the channel in the comments. We don't have Telegram or WhatsApp. Before we get on to the main plot of the film, we must first inform you of the most recent Shiba Inu cryptocurrency news that has occurred recently. So let's get started without wasting any time. What's going on when a Shiba Inu's burn rate increases by approximately 40,000% twice in 1 week? Shiba? Although Inu's stock may be seeing a slight decline right now, it is displaying exceptional strength in other areas that determine its network strength. The burn rate of the second largest meme cryptocurrency by market capitalization has increased parabolically. According to statistics from Shiba, and Inu's burn rate, a network Shib burn rate is approximately 40,000%, growing by 38,986.28% over the previous day. The Shib token burn rate is experiencing such tremendous rise for the second time this week, which is a surprising revelation from this milestone. Compared to the 2 billion tokens burned earlier in the week, effectively more than 1.69 billion Shib tokens were delivered to dead wallets this time. It would be greatly appreciated if you could click the like button if you are still watching. It is completely free and really aids with channel support. Additionally, stay checking to get the most recent Shiba Inu Coin news. Finance added XRP Shiba and additional support. Here are the specifics. Top in a recent tweet, crypto exchange Finance announced the addition of new support for XRP, Shiba Inu, and a few other cryptocurrencies. Binance announced the addition of over 200 additional assets and portfolio ideas to its Binance Auto Invest platform. XRP, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Bitcoin, and more cryptocurrencies can be found on the list of cryptocurrencies that are supported. Additionally, more than 10 stablecoins and fiat currencies can be used to buy supported cryptocurrencies. By enabling users to automate cryptocurrency purchases and expand their crypto holdings more like a dollar-cost averaging method, the Binance Auto Invest platform enables users of supported crypto assets to acquire more on autopilot. 7 days to 3 years are included in the time frame. By using Binance Simple Earn, users may also get passive money. For cryptocurrency customers, Crypto Exchange Finance keeps growing its product selection. XRP and Shiba Inu stand out as two of the most popular traded assets on Binance. Binance Card announced support for XRP and Shiba Inu in August of last year, adding them to the platform's list of supported cryptocurrencies. Spending supported cryptocurrency with a Binance Card is possible not only in Europe but also anywhere the Visa logo is present. The use of supported cryptocurrencies at more than 90 million merchants worldwide is also made possible through the Finance Card, a debit card. Let's now go into the video's major plot. Inu's Shiba. The Ethereum gas fee issue is resolved by Shibarium to scale in the trillion-dollar industry. Sharon Shibarium Beta achieves new benchmarks. Possible impending launch of mainnet. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 protocol, Shibarium, has made great strides toward its maintenance deployment. Pupanet, the protocol's beta variant, was introduced on March 11th, and, as of today, its testnet contains over 14 million interacting wallet addresses. Over 4.9 million transactions have been completed on the network as a whole, with over 671,000 blocks and an average block time of 5 seconds. Shibarium addresses the Ethereum gas fee problem. You're probably aware of the hefty gas prices on the Ethereum network, which can amount to up to $50 for tiny transactions if you've been involved in the cryptocurrency and NFT industries. By integrating a Layer 2 solution into the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shibarium seeks to address this issue by boosting throughput and enabling the L2 to manage large expansion. Users should experience a significant increase in transaction speed as a result, and gas costs could decrease by as much as 90%. Shibarium will assist Shiba on a larger scale while keeping it tied to Ethereum as a POS initiative that is connected to the Ethereum network. The advantages of Shibarium don't end there. It will also provide a full ecosystem made up of numerous projects, such as the Shib Metaverse, Shibaswap, DEX, and blockchain gaming. Users are anticipated to be drawn to the metaverse and games, while the DEX will offer increased liquidity. Shibarium will use BONE as its native gas token, and network validators who secure and validate transactions will be compensated with BONE. Additionally, as a method to manage the abundant supply of Shib, every transaction in the new ecosystem will result in the burning of Shib. Shibarium is anticipated to significantly benefit the cryptocurrency industry by cutting gas costs by up to 90%. Shibarium is well positioned to unlock the potential of the Shib ecosystem and turn it into a value-added initiative with the ability to last by offering faster transaction speeds, improved token utility, and easy dApp development. The solution to all the problems that these Ethereum gas fees are bringing is Shibarium. The Shib army will rule the future. Many of our subscribers make the comment that they will hang on to millions of Shib for the next 5 years and won't sell any because they have faith in Shiba, fresh developers, and the true worth of Shib. How many are you holding, guys? Please list the Shib you own in the comments section below. Let's give the Shib holder credit for having faith in the procedure. Please give this video a massive thumbs up if you are enjoying it. Join the channel and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so that you can be informed whenever we publish a new video. But there have been other significant crypto-related stories as well. To learn more, click the video now on your screen.